Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make outdoor bug spray, and today you need a bottle or a spray bottle. You need your lavender. I'm going to be putting up the recipe in front of this video for you, so you can go ahead and follow along. So I'm going to be using 10 to 20 drops of these oils that I'm going to be using, and then if you're going to be making a spray, you're going to be using a distilled water, or you're going to be using some white vinegar. Today I'm going to be using some fractionated oil because I need the oil to just apply to my skin. But if you're going to be making the spray is to just spray on your clothes also. So like I said before, you need 10 to 20 drops, and here I'm going to be using my fractionated coconut oil, not the coconut oil that you use to cook. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and drop off these oils, and then I'm coming back to you. When you finish with this, give it a good shake, guys, and it is ready to go. So there is 3 ways of making it. You're gonna be using the still water, or you're gonna be using a white vinegar, or you're gonna be using your fractionated oils. You can either use a bobo oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use almond oil, you can use any other fractionated oil that you use in hand. So yeah, like I said, let me drop off these and get back. So I just have to put this little piece in for you guys to let you know that animals have very sensitive noses or nose. Um, their nose is very sensitive than human. So please be aware of these oils around your pets. Like I said too, this is an indoor one. It can be also an outdoor one, and some of these oil can be cause irritation to these animals. So as you can see right now, guys, I am topping mine off with my fractionated oil, and so I'm gonna give it a good shake, guys, and then it will be ready to go. So just be aware of the different oils around your pet. And some of these oils too, if you're gonna be spraying it outside, just don't go beside plants, because also it's oil and they're strong. And yeah, just be aware of where you're spraying it. I mean, I spray this on my skin all the time and nothing happened. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little piece of video. I was doing a DIY today, and I decided to video it for you guys. All right, thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye for now.